Hi guys, pag ako ay nalaglag dito, diba na-promise ako sa inyo na magbabody reveal ako, kaya kanta na lang ako ng Pretty Little Baby, guys. Ganon. At 2 million ang pera ako ngayon kasi hindi pa ninyo alam. Ano ba yun? 2 million pera ko kasi hindi ko pinapawasan. At alam ko, hindi yun dito. Dito yan sa kabila. Kasi napuntahan ko na to before ako ay sinlap. No? Ay, nawawalaan pala lang. Ano yun? Ayun, talon lang tayo dito, guys. Ayoko mag-reading in comments tayo. Guys, ayoko mag-reading in comments tayo kasi hindi ako marunong mag-lag ng picture. Sinabi ko na sa inyo. Kaya hindi ako maingay masyado kasi ay hala, nalaglag ako. Sige. Pretty little baby, yeah, yeah. Pretty little baby, yeah, yeah. Pretty little baby, I say that baby, take me where I do. I'm trying to be a pretty little baby. I hope I'll let you do. Now I suffer young, I book suffer young. Happy this ever stay. Make me up a much more telling on. Happy this ever stay. Hey, open us a flowers. I sit for hours, telling up a bluebirds. I'm feeling goopers, pretty little baby. I'm so in love with you. Now I suffer young, I book suffer young. Happy this ever stay. Make me up a much more telling on. Happy this ever stay. Make me in a car hop, a feeling hop shop. Make me up a moonlight, a feeling daylight. Pretty little baby, I can do. Okay guys, tapos na. Hindi na ako